जल्दी आओ।
वालेकुम टीचर। नोटबुक लेके आने का ना। वालेकुम टीचर। नोटबुक लेके आने का है ना। नोटबुक लेके आने
Yes. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Walaikum assalam. Yes, completed everyone your yes. Completed everyone your writing work? Yes, Mariam Rehman, Umema, very good. Shall we start now? Yes. Are you tired everyone? No, na? Achha, one thing. Come on, show me who all are strong. Who all are strong? Show me. Who all are strong? Show me like this. Yes, everyone is strong. Very good. Who all are big now? Big girl. Who all are big now? Big कौन हो गया है? Yes, very good. Okay, so shall we start our writing work now? Yes. Okay, we'll wait for 2 minutes. Okay, हम लोग 2 minutes wait करेंगे आप लोगों के जो फ्रेंड्स ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं उनके लिए. Okay. Yes, everyone sit properly first. Yes. Open your new page, everyone. Open new page. First, write today's date. Okay, today's date. Now, what heading we are going to write is R, capital R, okay? R, E, R, E, V, I, S, I, O, N, revision. R, E, V, I, S, I, O, N, revision. R, E, V, I, S, I, O, N, revision. What revision we are going to write, you all know? We have completed 2-letter words. Okay, all the 2-letter words we have completed. Now we are going to write all together. That is called revision. Okay, सब एक साथ लिखेंगे अभी हम लोग as a revision. You'll get to know how many 2-letter words we have completed and we have to learn that 2-letter words. Okay, so start from here. A, M, M. A, M, M. A-M-M. A-M-M. Write properly in line, okay? Don't go out of the line. Write properly in line, blue line, and everything will be in small. Don't use capital. Don't write capital alphabet, write everything in small. Okay, now next word. Leave some space and write A and N. Okay, you have to leave some space and write A and N. Yes, Hamna, what happened? A M M, A and N. Yes, Hamna. Leave some space and write A S S. It's too far. Oh. A S S. Afra, where is your notebook? Sit properly first, Afra.
क्या दिखाई टीचर ने बता
A M M, A N N, A S S. Next, leave some space and write A T at. Okay, A M M, A N N, A S S, A T at. You can do one thing. You can draw a line like this, so it will be comfortable for you to write properly in line. Okay. Okay, do one thing, draw a line like this, so it will be comfortable for you to write properly. Okay. Okay, now listen, you don't have to write complete this full page with the same word. Okay. Next, in next line we are going to write now B E B. Okay, B E B. B E B. B E B. B E B. Now next word M E me. B E B M E me. B E B M E me. Now next word H E he. H E he. H E he. H E he. Next word with vowel E, W E V. W E V. Survey Aisha, where is the notebook? Yes, how you are sitting? Sit properly. Where is your book? Mama is going to write. Yes, done. This two lines, okay? am, an, as, at, beb, me, he, wev. Now next line. Now with the vowel if. We have completed vowel A and E. Now if, is, in, it. Okay. if, is, it. Done. Now with vowel O. A-E-I-O. Okay. Come on, right. G-O, go. G-O, go. G-O, go. G-O, go. N-O, no. N-O, no. Next. S-O, so. S-O, so. S-O, so. T-O-2. T-O-2. G-O, go. N-O, no. S-O, so. T-O-2. A-E-I-O. Okay. Now some more are there with O. Okay. Next line. D-O, do. D-O, do. O-F, of. O-F, of. O-N, on. O-N, on. O-N, on. O-R, or. O-R, or. D-O, do. O-F, of. O-N, on. O-R, or. Chalo, we are going to read from the start now. Okay. A-M, am. A-N, an. A-S, as. A-T, at. B-E-B. M-E, me. H-E, he. W-E-V. I-F, if. I-S, is. I-N, I-T, it. G-O, go. N-O, no. S-O, so. T-O, two. D-O, do. OF of, ON on, OR or. Okay, now with the vowel U, the words that we have written today. UP up, UP up, UP up, US us, US us, US us, BY by, BY by, BY by, MY my. Y is not a vowel, okay? Vowel is A, E, I, O, U. Yes. Hamna, what happened? Why you crying? Stop crying, Hamna. Good girl, na? You're good girl. Yes, Afia answer. Dania, very good. AMM, ANN, ASS, AT at, BEB. Yes, Sayyid Anaya. Yes,
I am done.
very good. Completed. Very good. Very good. Yes, Anaya.
Yes.
Completed. Very good. Very good, Survey Aisha.
Bye, teacher.
Bye. You're going now.
Yes, I going. I went to school also.
Yes.
Play school. Yes.
Okay. Completed, everyone. Yes. Very good, Anaya. Very good, Umema. Survey Aisha. Tazmeen, very good. Alina, very good. Very nice. Myra, very good. Taiba, very good. Zara Maruf, Farheen, Maisra, Alishba, Azkia, Ayat, Chaudhry Afra, Mariam Rahman, Zavi Zahra, Rakhangi Ayat, Abira, Raut Abira, very nice. Habiba, very good. Afia Ansar, very good. Sayyid Safa, Aliza Anware, very good. Sayyid Safa, completed. Safa, what happened? Answer.
सपा क्या बोल रही टीचर
Safa, what happened?
उसका नहीं हुआ ना रो रही है बोलती मैं टीचर है
अच्छा, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry.
टीचर क्या
Good girl, don't cry.
अभी हो गए
Hey, everyone is looking.
क्या बोले
सफा सब देख रहे हैं आपको.
टीचर मारी
Very bad, हाँ सफा, very bad. Everyone is looking at you. सब देख रहे हैं आपको. आप ऐसा करोगे? Very bad. Yes, Habiba, very good. Taiba, very good. Ansari, Sara, done? Yes, Sara, done? Completed? No. Completed? Yes. Very good, everyone. Very good. Very nice. Very good. Everyone completed. Yes, Rahmatun very good. Now listen carefully. This all the two letter words you have to learn and by heart. Okay? ये आप सबको पढ़ना है, by heart करना है. आपको आना. Maisra, what you are doing, Maisra? Okay, everyone has to have to learn this two letter words and by heart it. This will come in your written exam. Written exam में आएगा आप लोगों को बिना देखे लिखना है. Okay, on your own you have to write on your own. So you have to by heart this like this. बिना देखे आपको आने चाहिए two letter words like this: A M M, A N N, A S S, A T at. है ना? This you have already learned in junior KG last year. Now, any questions, anyone? Yes, today you have to bring your notebooks for correction. Okay, timing is 12 to 1:30. Between 12 to 1:30, 12 से 1:30, डेढ़ बज के बीच में आपको you have to bring your 3 notebooks only. Okay, that is your 1 number, 3 number and 5 number. 3 notebooks आप लोगों को चेक करने के लिए लाना है आज करेक्शन के लिए. ओके आई सेंड यू इन द पर्सनल. मैं पर्सनल आपको सेंड करती हूँ सब. आप उनको कंप्लीट करवा देना. ओके, स्लोली यू कैन डू इट स्लोली. ओके सारा, यू विल डू ना? वेरी गुड. चलो, नाउ डू वन थिंग एवरीवन. नाउ clap for yourself, everyone. Have written 3 pages today. Clap for yourself. Very good. We have completed 3 pages today, है ना? Like this we are going to write every day, inshallah.
देखो
Now who is going to read the 2 letter words? 2 letter words कौन read करके बताएंगे टीचर को?
आयरा
बताएंगे ना टीचर को, टीचर बताएंगे ना टू लेटर वर्ड.
उधर उधर
Come on, read everyone. Read everyone.
बता टीचर को
Read everyone 2 letter words. Okay, listen. Repeat after me. Okay, repeat after me. Repeat after the teacher. 2 letter words. A-M-M, A-N-N, A-S-S, A-T-at, B-E-B, H-E-He, M-E-Me, W-E-V, I-F-If, I-S-Is, I-N-N, I-T-It, G-O-Go, N-O-No, S-O-So, T-O-2, D-O-Do, O-F-Off, O-N-On, O-R-Or, U-P-Up, U-S-S, B by by. M by my. Okay, very good. Clap everyone. Yes, okay. Chalo, now our time is up. We are going to meet inshallah tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday, na? Yes? Nobody will miss the session, okay? Everyone is going to come. सब आएंगे, सब session attend करेंगे. Nobody is going to miss the sessions, okay? And who's going to come today to meet me? Who's going to come to meet me? मुझे मिलने कौन आएगा आज? Let's see. Okay? चलो, take care everyone. Okay? Don't do masti. Don't tease your mama. Okay? मम्मा को सताओ मत. Okay? अस्सलाम वालेकुम everyone. अल्लाह हाफिज. वालेकुम अस्सलाम. अल्लाह हाफिज.
Bye, teacher.
बाय बाय. अल्लाह हाफिज.